we will learn some commonly used English lines. Let us listen and dive in.
Let's learn common phrases.
You are not allowed to take food the whole day. She is overly controlling. It means trying to dominate people unfairly.
Now repeat. Overly controlling. Either you come with me or with your parents. The ball is in your court. It means it's your decision. Now repeat after me.
Chewing the fat here. This means to talk with someone. Now, you repeat the phrase.
You are the apple of my eye.
This means a very precious and favorite person. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Mama, please give me something to eat. I am hungry.
Okay, I am giving you within a wink.
This means within a very short time. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Can you fix this spreadsheet?
I'm not an expert, but I'll give it a shot.
Wow, you are looking drop-dead gorgeous.
This means extremely beautiful. Now, you repeat the phrase.
Hello, students. Read the following questions and try to say answer by yourself. Also, write in the comment box. It's quiz time. Five, four, three, two, one. 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 Five, four, three, two, one.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.